What if your entire business could be built, managed, and run by AI? Today, founders struggle with too many responsibilities. No clear direction. Expensive experts. Not having the right team. Fragmented support. No funding process. Regulations. Marketing strategies. Traction. Introducing Founder Operating System. Your business. Built, managed, and run by AI. One login. An entire AI team working for your business. Strategy. Marketing. Finance. Branding. Technology. Operations. Growth. Your AI expert team. Always on. Never billing by the hour. From idea to validation to MVP to launch to scale. Everything structured, everything guided. And when you're ready, your path to capital starts inside the platform. Access is not automatic. It is earned through your progress, your execution, your readiness. This is not just a tool. This is not just a program. This is a system to build the next generation of founders. Apply now. Limited founding members.